Welcome to College Knowledge STEM Edition, where this GCU student teaches you the magic of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics in activities that we do at home together. So, let's get nerdy. Hello everybody, my name is Sierra. I'm an engineering student at Grand Canyon University and also your host for College Knowledge STEM Edition. Today, I'm going to be teaching you guys a fun at-home project and teaching you guys the science behind it and things that I'm learning at college that hopefully will interest and excite you as well. So let's get to it. So as you can see here, I have some pipe cleaners and some measuring cups. So what are we gonna do with these? Well, today's project is bubbles, which I know at first you're like, bubbles, I've done those all the time. But today I'm going to teach you the science behind bubbles and a way that you can kind of investigate and figure out how to be more creative and learn more things about you in the real world. So let's go. So first we're going to start off with our bubble wand. That's what these pipe cleaners are for. So what we know is that we can shape these pipe cleaners into a bubble wand because this material is going to pick up that bubble fluid and going to hold on to it so it creates that film that we all know and love to play bubbles with. So the first question is what shapes we can make it in. Honestly, it's up to you. Grab some pipe cleaners, make some shapes, and then when we create our bubble mixture, we will experiment on which shapes work better and why. So I am going to make, I'll make a diamond, and you guys can make whatever shape you want, and I'll probably make a couple. But once we have our bubble wands, then we can go ahead and start making our bubble mix. First thing, we add 1.5 cups of water. Water makes up one of the main layers and one of the most important layers of bubbles, which we'll talk about later. Next, we add another important ingredient of our bubble mix. 1/4 cup of corn syrup. This will act as a thickening agent and will help in other ways, as we see. So first question, why the syrup? Well, here's a little peek into bubbles. Bubbles are basically a sandwich of soap, then water, and then soap. That's the outside layer of a bubble. So when you make this soap layer thicker by adding corn syrup or some thickening agent, it makes the walls stronger and the bubbles less likely to pop. Last, we add our 1/2 cup of dishwashing detergent. This is the most important layer of the bubble because this determines whether the bubble will pop or not. If the water in between these two layers evaporates, then the bubble will pop without even someone touching it or anything happening to it. Ta-da! Bubble mix. Alright, and we're gonna swirl it around a little. I'll make myself a little stir stick. So, now that we have our bubble mix, we're going to start blowing some bubbles and see if my different shaped wands, well, now I have a round one and now I have a diamond one, we're going to see if they affect anything. Ask yourself questions about your bubble mix. If I add more syrup or water, will that change anything? Will the different shapes of my sticks affect the bubbles? That's science. Science is questioning the world around you, and engineering is seeing if you can improve on those questions. So let's blow some bubbles. So while you watch me having fun with my bubbles, I'm going to give you a little lesson on how they work. Bubbles, as I said, are a sandwich of soap and water. So bubbles pop when the layers of water in between the soap are so thin that it takes only a second to evaporate. Adding the syrup makes the soap thicker so the water can't evaporate as fast. Also, bubbles are spherical or round because it's the most stable and compact shape that's possible. There's no corners. This conserves the energy in the little atoms that make up the bubble. And bubbles stick together because they're all about saving space. If they share a common wall between them, their resources are not as drained and they're more stable. So there we have it. A bit of a lesson on bubbles. Engineering is the art of seeing, wait, these round ones work a little better than my diamond one. There we go. So with that, please like and comment and subscribe on this video so you can have more fun lessons at home and learn about STEM. And thank you for watching. Again, I'm Sierra on behalf of Canyon PD and College Knowledge STEM Edition. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Lopes up!